Good morning, everyone. Ben Fushia, Birdwatcher, and Ado Heartbeat. I'm here at the lovely Goukamma Nature Reserve. I'm doing a recce at the mouth for an educational walk that I'll be doing with or for the Cape Nature Rangers this morning. It's a lovely morning, beautiful sunrise in the east, and I'll be meeting with the guys in a few minutes. After a short introduction, everyone was ready to hit the road and learn something new. We logged at least 20 species before we crossed the river, such as brimstone canary, Cape bulbuls, pied kingfisher, and blacksmith lapwing. Also a beautiful female giant kingfisher, white-throated swallows, and water thickneys flying over the river. Beautiful jackal buzzard flying high over the dune, little egrets, and various cormorants. Crossing the river was part of the excitement, and everyone joined in to make this a very successful walk. Quite a long walk over the dune took us to the beach, where we were very lucky to see some Cape gannets flying over. Closer to the mouth, we saw 11 oyster catchers, black oyster catchers, and one at the nest. Beautiful white-fronted plovers, Cape gulls, and again various cormorants. This was quite a good walk, a bit further than we originally expected, but everyone enjoyed it. What was special for you today that you didn't know before?
The difference.
What was different? Yeah.
The male
Of African
giant
black
kingfisher and
Oh,
the female.
to identify the male from the female giant kingfisher. Yeah.
and the female oyster catcher and the male oyster catcher.
Oh yes.
Because our marine ranger once said it's other one it's bright,
Yeah.
other one is black. Then
Yeah.
I'm not I don't work. I don't work under an outdoor department, so I don't get this opportunity to actually work or.
Okay.
So now, every time when I'm working there at the gate during the weekends, I always thought that the cow
kelp girl.
are fish eagles. I always thought they are fish eagles. So now
Okay.
today, I've learned that the cow gulls are actually not fish eagles. They are cow gulls.
The kelp gulls, and there are not so many fish eagles anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah. And
I never saw the plover flying. It's the first time I saw plover flying.
the white-fronted
white-fronted plover, yeah.
plover. Yeah, that was nice to see the pattern
And
as
then
well.
Nedic and Karoo.
Karoo Prenias,
Premier Craig. I didn't
the difference.
know the difference. But
Okay.
now I know that the other one is thinner and long tail, and then the other one is
Yeah, and it's got the stripes on the chest.
Yes,
The
Karoo
Karoo.
Premier.
Yeah.
So we learned a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
I
Nothing.
think for us,
Yeah.
we rangers, we also learn the technique because we do suburb too.
Yeah.
And we sometimes go out and then come.
We come back with
Not
5.
even 50% of this. This is a lot. I'm shocked.
Yeah.
We were even shocked while we were just
That's
getting
here.
these 17 only
Yeah.
only 17
Yeah.
species just in one place, while
Yeah.
we just may become 5, while we think we covered the whole.
I've enjoyed everything.